Acid reflux and heartburn natural remedies. If you have acid reflux or heartburn, using natural remedies to rebalance your stomach is what nature intended. Listed are 4 natural remedies that you can use to rebalance the acid in your stomach. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has many medicinal uses aside from being great for various pastries. It has an antiseptic effect and has been historically used for colds and flus. It has fighting power against Candida albicans and has the ability to settle acidic stomachs. Here's how to use cinnamon for an acid stomach or heartburn. Toast raisin bread. Butter the raisin bread. Sprinkle cinnamon on the bread. Sprinkle cardamom on the bread. When you eat this toasted bread, chew slowly and completely before swallowing to allow the digestive juices in your mouth to start breaking down this food. Cardamom, which is found in India, has been used successful in treating celiac disease, which is an intolerance to gluten found in most breads. Grapefruit skins. Here is a way to settle your acid reflux stomach with grapefruit. Use only organic grapefruit for this remedy. Here's what to do. Grate the entire outer skin of an organic grapefruit. Spread them out on a flat dish to dry. Allow them to get crinkly dry. Store them in a glass jar or Ziploc bag. Whenever you get an upset stomach, acid reflux or heartburn, start chewing and eating these strips of dried grapefruit. These strips will settle out your stomach. Eat only a few of them and test to see how many you need. Romaine lettuce. Romaine lettuce can be used to eliminate an acid reflux or heartburn condition. This lettuce is high in minerals and is highly alkaline. Here's what you need to do. Buy an organic romaine lettuce head. Wash in distilled water. Cut up the leaves and place them in a blender. Add cold distilled water to make a slurry. Add a slight amount of honey to give it taste. Drink of 4 to 8 ounces to get relief from your acid reflux or acid stomach. Mace, nutmeg, and slippery elm. Here is a natural remedy that uses mace and nutmeg, which has a history of treating indigestion, acid stomach, heartburn, acid reflux, stomach gas, and vomiting. Here's how to use it with half and half and slippery elm root herb. Slippery elm herb can be purchased in any herb store in powder. 1 teaspoon of slippery elm bark. A pinch of nutmeg. A pinch of mace. Add distilled water to make a smooth slurry. Heat a pint of half and half to boil. Pull half and half from stove and add herb slurry. Stir in herb slurry. Allow this mixture to cool. Drink up to cup at a time. Store the unused portion in the refrigerator. When drinking the next cup, warm this mixture up. Acid reflux and heartburn require alkaline nutrients to provide relief. These 4 natural remedies, when prepared properly, will give you the relief you need from these conditions. Try them, you will be surprised on how well they work.